You know, I avoid this time for a long time. I'm really happy that we are here today, and I have some secret to tell you, and I cannot hide it anymore. Please listen me carefully. Will you marry me?
How sweet!
What do you use?
Oh, a little blushing.
Blushing with AAU toothpaste is one simple step you can incorporate into your daily routine to help keep your mouth healthy and remove your bad breath.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice?
The juice holy is product makes from herb important natural substances and installed to your oral and dental treatment. Therefore, it's able to protect your teeth and including your bad breath odors altogether.
Make your fresh day with AIU Toothpaste.